Believe it or not, this entire video about AI was made using AI video generator. Ever wonder if the content you consume daily could be the creation of an artificial mind? Picture this, a world where the articles you read, the music you listen to, and even the videos you watch, all spring from the digital depths of artificial intelligence. Yes, that's right. The realm of creativity, once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, is now being infiltrated by AI. If you haven't pondered this possibility before, brace yourself, prepare to have your mind blown. Artificial intelligence is not just for data analysis and predictive modeling anymore. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI in content creation. In recent years, artificial intelligence has been making waves in the creative industry. It's not just crunching numbers or predicting trends, but it's stepping into the shoes of artists, writers, and musicians. The rise of AI in content creation is no longer a distant future but a present reality. For instance, have you ever heard of an AI scriptwriter? Well, they exist. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 are now capable of producing written content that is virtually indistinguishable from human-authored text. This AI can learn from a vast database of internet text, and then generate new content that mirrors the style and tone of the original. And it doesn't stop at writing. AI is also making its mark in the world of music. Algorithms are now able to analyze patterns in music, learn from them, and then compose entirely new melodies. From classical symphonies to catchy pop tunes, these AI-composed pieces are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But perhaps the most visually stunning example of AI in content creation is in the realm of artwork. AI art generators use machine learning to analyze thousands of images, learn their styles and aesthetics, and then create new, original pieces of art. These AI-generated artworks have even been sold at auctions for hefty sums, much to the astonishment of the art world. All of this is made possible by complex algorithms that can learn from existing content. These algorithms analyze patterns, learn from them, and then apply this knowledge to create something completely new. It's a process that mirrors human creativity, but with the efficiency and scale that only a computer can offer. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of what AI can do. As the technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what other creative feats AI will achieve. So next time you come across a piece of content that leaves you in awe, remember, it might just be the work of an artificial mind. Bored with the same old content? Why not explore the uncanny valley of AI creativity? As we traverse the digital age, AI-generated content is pushing the boundaries of creativity. It's not just about crafting a perfect image or a catchy tune, but about offering a fresh and often unexpected perspective. Delving into this realm, you'll find that AI creativity is like a prism, refracting the ordinary into a spectrum of extraordinary. Imagine a poem composed by an AI, its verses weaving a tapestry of words that might not make sense to the human mind but somehow still resonate with the heart. Or a piece of music, composed note by an AI, that can make you dance with joy or weep with sorrow. AI creativity is not confined to a particular genre or style. It's a kaleidoscope of possibilities, a playground for the curious mind. And the best part? You can explore this world from the comfort of your own home. Platforms like OpenAI, Google's Deep Dream, and Artbreeder are just a few clicks away, offering a treasure trove of AI-generated content. From AI-painted artworks that could give Van Gogh a run for his money, to AI-written novels that explore the complexities of the human condition, this is a territory where the usual rules of creativity don't apply. Dive into the world of AI creativity, and you might find yourself surprised. AI is not just about crunching numbers or optimizing algorithms. It's about unlocking new avenues of creativity, about seeing the world through a different lens. And who knows, you might even find a new favorite artist, hidden among the lines of code. So what's next for AI in content creation? Well, let's take a moment to gaze into our digital crystal ball. Picture this, a world where AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator, working in harmony with human creativity. It's not about replacing humans, but augmenting our abilities, freeing us from mundane tasks, and letting us focus on the big picture. Imagine an AI that can understand and emulate your unique writing style or artistic flair, creating content that feels genuinely yours. Or how about an AI that can generate new content based on trends, audience preferences, or even the time of day? But it's not just about the creation. AI can also play a crucial role in content distribution, ensuring your masterpiece reaches the right audience at the right time. The possibilities are as vast as the digital universe itself. The future of content creation is here, and it's coded in zeros and ones.